Namaste everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So I'm very excited to announce that I'm going to start 31 days face yoga challenge series in which I'm going to teach how you can use the face yoga tools. Lot of students have requested them, ma'am, we have gua sha, face massager and other tools, but we don't know how to use them correctly. So especially this series is for them who wants to learn how to use the tools in a professional way, so that you can spend 5 to 10 minutes a day self practice if you don't have time to join the classes, and practice with me. So if you have your tools, you can grab it and start the practice with me. And if you don't have the tools are available at the studio. You can contact at the given number, and in the description box there is a link available from where you can get the tools at very discounted price. Or if you already have, that's a good thing, you can use with me. So let's start. In day 1, what I'm going to teach, I'm going to teach how you can use this T-shaped face massager to reduce the under eye bags and to lift the to reduce the crow's feet wrinkle and to lift your droopy eyelids. If you spend a lot of time on the computer, on the mobiles, and your work is very hectic and you have very tired eyes, droopy eyelids and puffiness around this area, then this video is for you. So I will request everyone to use this tool in today's video. And before we use this tool, we need to moisturize the face with the favorite face oil, because we are going to work around the eye area, and I have already explained in a lot of videos the under eye area is very sensitive. We have to give extra moisturizer every time you use the tool or you use the hands. So let's start. So number 1 practice is we are going to first of all break the lymphatic fluid around the area. So you can on your tool, what you will do, we have few acupressure points. To break the lymphatic fluid, we need to trigger the points. Number 1, this is the eye corner. Just below the eye corner, 1 finger gap, we are going to place it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Below the eyeball, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corner of the eye, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Below the eyeball again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. So once you break the lymphatic fluid, it's time to massage and drain it. So the rule is very simple. After you triggered it, we're going to use this part of the tool. Make sure you own the tool by rotating this. And then slowly you have to place, move slowly, and then drain from the sides till the column. We'll repeat it for next 5 times. You can do this practice with closed eyes to feel relaxed. When you do it, you have to feel positive about you, that I am removing my toxins from the body. My eyes are glowing and relaxing. We are going to repeat the same from the other side. And last 5. So what you can do if you have lot of dark circles, eye bags, you can repeat it minimum 10 to 15 times. If you have no eye bags, your eyes are, the under eye area is already clean, then 5 to 10 times is more than enough on regular basis. Now, let me teach you how we can work to reduce the crow's feet wrinkle. See, because of lot of screen time, our orbicularis oculi muscle become weak. So with the help of this tool, we can strengthen and relax the muscles. How? We can start from the same area and then rotate upwards slowly and take a pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Release. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. Again. Same practice other side, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should be very slowly moving the tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want, you can practice with closed eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. If you already have the lines, the crow's feet wrinkle, you can repeat it minimum 15 to 20 times. Minimum. And if possible, you can hold it minimum 10 counts. With closed eyes, you will feel better. But make sure you have properly moisturized the under eyes. Now, the next practice I am going to teach is for droopy eyelids. Again, the reason is simple. Because of lot of screen time, weak eye muscles, overuse the eyes or loss of collagen, your eyes are droopy and you have this kind of shape. So what we can do? We can use this tool. Starting from this point, we are slowly placing and taking upwards and take a pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Center. Slowly moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the corner. Slowly moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And repeat the same from the other side with closed eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done. Now, if you have droopy eyelids, if your screen time is more than 5 to 10 hours, then you are going to do it for minimum 30 times. Yes, 20 to 30 times according to time availability. In the beginning, you can start 10 times and then gradually you can increase. If you have a lot of pain in the eyes, you can, or headaches, you can use it 10, you can start the 10 times because you need to start relaxing the muscles gradually. You can increase them. And if you already have, if there is no droopiness, your eye muscles are strong and you are young, because in young age we have tight facial muscles. So you can start with minimum 5 to 10 times. That is safe to use and there is no harm. Pressure should be gentle. You should be enjoying the practice. There should be no deep pressure. If you feel uncomfortable, stop the practice, keep the tool down and simply in between you can do palming. Like this. And just relax. Whenever you finish any practice with the tool, palming is very important to relax the area. I hope you liked the video and you enjoyed the practice doing with me. If you liked it, you can please share with others and save the video, download the video so that you can practice on regular basis with me. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for day 2. Thank you very much.